is what it comes in the package. This size is the 10 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Okay, so in the package here, you got your dressing. This is the actual dressing. It's the 10 by 30. Okay. The key parts of it are this little lily pad, and then it connects to the device, which is going to be the suction. Okay, these are your batteries, and here are the stickers that are going to be the window pane. So we've already prepared the skin. It's been prepared. You can see that the length of this has been chosen so that it's going to cover the entire wound. Now this is just silver, from the silver, so it's okay. It's not a problem. And the nurse has already cleaned the wound with Dakins. And this needs to go higher up, right? Which is perfectly fine, so it should be fine. Alright, so then the next thing you do is you peel this back. Okay, and there's the adhesive side. You want to position it exactly where you want it so that it covers it. Now here's the key thing, is then, you see with my fingers what I'm doing is I'm securing it, pushing out any air bubbles. Okay, just like that. Same thing over here. Making sure that I use my finger to get out any air bubbles here. And the next thing, take this off, and again, it's the same thing. Okay, start here, and then work our way out so that it's all smooth. All these little wrinkles need to be smoothed out. Okay, now you can see when you come up here, right, my lily pad, the tray is going to be outside of the wound, so it's going to be farther up. It has to be farther, higher up towards the head, and it has to be up over and outside of the wound. Now for this, I want him to straighten his leg out a little, because we know that we don't want that to interfere with anything. Okay. Now, again, I'm getting all of the wrinkles out, all the wrinkles. Okay. Okay. Now Linda's going to get the Energizer batteries that are out there. Okay. And now this is the device, okay? Just take the battery cover off. These are the batteries. There's a specific configuration, you line them up. Okay. Just like that. Alright. And then this is the battery cover. Put the battery cover back on. Okay, now you screw this in. It's like a regular lure connector. Once you screwed it on, then you hit the button. Okay, you can see it's sucking down. You see this? It's now, everything is sucked down. It's green. Green is good. So this is successful Pico application. Now, once you've done that, then you have to do your window pane. Okay, so for the window pane, you take number 1 off first in the middle. Okay. You apply it like this. Half of it is on the silicone, half it's on the skin. You peel number 1, and again, making sure everything's clean. This is a little tricky to find the edge. You should find the edge, and then that's the trick, right? We'll do that one more time so you can see. Okay, there's a 1 and a 2, right? So you take number 1 off first. Place it like this. Okay, so that half is on the skin, half is not. Take number 1 off. And then the tricky thing is just finding number 2 is getting the edge. So there you go, you see that? That's a little tricky. But but you gotta get the edge. You can use a forceps. Maybe Linda, give me a forceps. So I'll demonstrate using the forceps. So take one. So, you see, demonstrate with using the forceps technique, right? Sometimes is helpful. Okay, we have one last one. I may put two on him, we'll see. So this one goes on like that. And here I can demonstrate the forceps technique. See, I'm grabbing with the forceps and then peeling the number 2 back, just like that. It's important to make sure that all the wrinkles are out. There's nothing. And because of the location of where this is, you see, I want to put one more reinforcement up here. Because if there's going to be any area that's going to be a problem, it's going to be up, and he flexes and extends the foot in that area. Okay, again, you see a little piece, and then it comes off. Okay, so this is still green. Right, it's good. And now we've done a Pico on the medial, and you can see the Pico on the lateral. Different Pico, or 2 different devices, and they're both looking green. Green's good.